Today we are going to see how to delete some unwanted files so that you can make more space. So I know you can double click always your Finder window. You can go to your list view and you can select your users, or maybe it depends on which user you logged in, and you can see how much space is occupied by each application. But still it doesn't allow you to delete some temporary files or which file is occupying more space. So Apple is having one built-in tool for recommendations. So that's what we are going to see today. So click on about this Mac so that it shows your serial number, etc. We saw this one in one of the previous video. So you can click on storage. Now you can see it says like approximately 180.64 GB is available out of the 500 GB hard drive. So but okay, let it calculate. After calculating, it shows in colorful ways, and if you look at my photos is occupying more than 138 GB. Okay, so click on manage now, and there is an option. So in case some people, of course, will regularly go into your trash bin and then empty it regularly. But some people may not use this one. For them, empty bin automatically. Once you click on turn on, for every 30 days, automatically it turns on and then deletes unnecessarily any files or story occupying your space which are from the trash bin. Okay, so some another way is like storing in iCloud. Yeah, I mean that's a good way, but at the same time, it occupies a lot of bandwidth. At the same time, you have to purchase space even in iCloud. So, what is the other easiest option? So, you can see here on the left hand side, it says other users, which I don't use it. 23.47 GB, which I need to delete that user. We'll come to that one. Just before getting into that, so you can even go for reduce clutter. So click on review files. This is like all different files. So right now it says a lot of other information. Okay, you can see some file. Maybe I'm not going to use this one, mpeg 4. Maybe once I wanted to see this, I saw that, and that's all. So simply delete it. And if you wanted to see what exactly it is, always you can use the space bar to see the content. And in case if you feel like you have to keep it, maybe you have to keep it. And if you don't want that, you can straight away delete from here. And in case if you wanted to go to the manual method, is always available. But similarly, I can see one more thing in this area. So I don't know whether I need to delete this or not. So sometimes you can leave it like that. So particularly large files, and you can even check inside the downloads, inside unsupported applications. Sometimes what happens if you are actually like from the previous operating systems keep on upgrading to the next OS, some applications may not work with Catalina. So those kind of unsupported applications in this list normally you can find out. So otherwise you can even use a file browser and you can see that pictures, etc, etc. So this is one way of doing that one using the recommendations. But what is the other option? Okay, so let me close this window and okay, go to your Apple menu, go to your system preferences, but you need to be an administrator to do this one. And most of the times only one user is there, and that user is actually like administrator. And you can see users and groups option. So once you click that, you can enter into how to create users or how to delete users kind of things. So you need to unlock it first, and without knowing your administrator password, obviously you can't do anything here. And now there is another one user is here, which is a Sanjay standard user, and I'm not going to use that one. So how do I delete it? Click on the minus option. So once you click on the minus option, it gives you three different facilities. So like in case if you wanted to use Sanjay, I mean maybe your time being deleting, later you wanted to use that one in a different computer or something. So save the home folder and a disk image. But still our purpose right now is actually to make more space. So what I didn't say any meaning in saving the home folder. And otherwise don't change the home folder, it doesn't make any sense right now, because you don't know, I mean you want to make space. So click on delete the home folder, simple. So click on the delete user, and the user and all the content related to that username Sanjay will be completely deleted. So in fact it doesn't even send the content to the trash bin. So that means it is like a permanently deleted straight away. So this is another way of making space. And by the way, do you know how to see the space available? So always you can use Command I, so that it says available space 180 GB and capacity of course 500 GB. I hope using this tip you can make more space. Otherwise, you can always purchase a new external hard drive and use the time machine for backup, and see my previous video about how to do time machine backup. And in case if you are not subscribed, please subscribe, and please make a comment, like, share. Thank you.